if you want to look like Tina Turner. Hey you guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Genovia Real, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you for coming back to watch my shit. So today is Wig Wednesdays. We are doing a wig. The wig is from Gorgius Hair. I know you guys probably have seen them around social media, and I got a wig. So I do want to thank Gorgius Hair for sending me this unit. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you. So in this box, this nice hologram box, is the wig, of course. Here's the wig. And it also comes with a little bag full of little goodies and whatnot. It has a edge control brush, hairpins, an elastic band. So you could use this if your wig is too big. You want it a little tighter, you can sew this onto the back of your wig so you can make it a little tighter. Also some hair clips and some tweezers. So if you need to put your lashes on, you got some tweezers. It also comes with wig caps. So it is 2 in a pack. So that's why I say wig caps. And it also comes with a storage bag. And you can store your wig in that bag. And you can use the box for something else, like little keepsakes or something. So we're gonna take this out of... It's pretty already, look at that. Look at the wig. I can't wait to put this on. So it is like a plop and go, put on and go type of wig, and it has some really nice curls. So we're gonna go ahead and throw this on, but first, let's go ahead and look on the inside of the wig. So there are no combs. There's no combs in this wig. It's just the straps to make the wig tight or loose. And then you have the middle part has a little lace right there. So this is like a full wig. It has bangs. So we're going to go ahead, let's find the front, and we're gonna try to put this on. Let's take this off. Yes, it's a wig cap under there. So let's go ahead and plop this on. Make sure it's fully on my head because I do have a big head, you guys. So, whoa. All right, let's comb this through. Let me get my mirror right here. Make sure I'm looking good, feeling great. Now, I would say I would appreciate maybe, you know, some combs, but we'll see. Ooh. Okay. I don't want to finger comb it too much because I don't want it too big. But let's see where this takes us. I also have my earrings right here. I'm gonna put my earrings in. So the hair is extremely soft. Just not a whole lot of shedding. That was like the only piece I got out so far, so. I feel like the late great Tina Turner. All right, so I'm going to probably get some scissors and do the bangs really quick because they are in my eyes. So let's do that really quick. So I'm just gonna start with a little bit at a time because you don't want to do too much. And then your bangs look a little crazy. So do a little bit at a time. think I might need to trim the bottom. This is coming out really freaking good, if I do say so myself. The thing is with bangs, when I was in college, when I wore bangs, I would put liner under my eyes, and I don't know what it does, but when you wearing bangs and liner under your eye, like on the bottom of the bottom lash line, it looks so much more dramatic. You feel me? So I might do that. Maybe next time when I wear this wig, because I definitely will be wearing this wig multiple times. But yeah, the curls, girl, baby, you can't tell me nothing. This is cute. I made it big. I know I wasn't trying to make it big, but I made it big. So, and I actually like it. I like it like this. I might cut a little on the bottom, just a little bit, just a little bit. Okay. Ooh. Okay, let's work on this bang a little. The bang. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, hold on. Yeah, let's get this middle part. Okay, yeah. Okay, and then let's do the foundation powder. Can't really see. Honestly, you really don't need to. You really don't need to. It's just right here. Ugh, I can't see, y'all. Hold on. Just a little bit. So if you're short and someone's just standing over you, they could be like, okay, it looked like scalp, but I don't know. You know, I'm tall, so ain't nobody looking down on my wig. Okay, like I said, it is just a install and go. Put it on and go. Like, that's all you gotta do. Like, the curls are full. You can't even, you can't beat this. You can't beat this with a stick. Now, if you want this wig, if you want to look like Tina Turner in her prime, I have a discount code below. So please get you one. Hold on, we're gonna put these earrings in because I don't have on no jewelry. What? Now I gotta take a selfie for the gram. Now I gotta take a selfie so all my hoes can see me. Cause I look cute. Okay. But yeah. Look. You better get you one of these. Discount code is below. You will not regret it. Plop and go. Put it on and go. Okay. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like the video if you really like this, comment down below. Let me know if you actually got this wig, but let's chit chat in the comments. You guys have a good night. Bye. Move fast when you want.